This device is called a G button. It goes through your child's abdomen into their stomach through a hole called a stoma. A G button is used to provide liquid food or medicine directly into your child's stomach. A G button has an extension that can be removed when not in use. To put the extension on, line the black line on the extension key up with the black line on the button. Gently push the extension into the button and then turn the extension clockwise to lock it into place. It is now ready to be used. When not in use, it is best to remove the extension to reduce the chances of the G button being accidentally pulled out. To remove the extension, turn the extension until the black line on the extension key lines up with the black line on the button. Gently lift up to separate the extension from the button. Clean around your child's G button daily using warm water and gentle soap. Allow the area to air dry. Check the skin around your child's G button for drainage, redness larger than a quarter, rashes, or swelling. If you see any of the above issues, tell your child's medical provider. Your child may have a hard time getting rid of gas buildup in their stomach. You can vent their G button to release this built-up gas. Take the plunger out of a large syringe and attach the syringe barrel to the extension. Unclamp the extension and hold the syringe close to your child and slightly to the side. You will start to hear the air come out of your child's stomach. You can gently press or pat on your child's stomach to help the gas come out. Some stomach contents or formula may come up into the syringe. This is normal. Once the gas is relieved, hold the syringe up slightly to allow any liquid in the syringe to slowly flow back into the stomach. Add 5 milliliters of water into the syringe to flush the tubing. Clamp the extension and clean the syringe. If your child's G button comes out, you may be able to replace it at home. Your child's medical professional will tell you whether it can be replaced at home. You will either replace it with the same G button, replace it with a new G button, replace the button with a catheter to keep the stoma open, and take your child to the hospital. Gather your supplies. You will need the G button, warm soapy water and a washcloth, lubricant, sterile or distilled water, and a G button syringe. Deflate the balloon using a G button syringe. This syringe only fits into the balloon port of the G button. Clean the button with warm soapy water. Use lubricant to lubricate the balloon of the button. Draw up 5 milliliters of sterile or distilled water into the syringe. Insert the new G button into your child's stoma. Inflate the balloon with 5 milliliters of water. Gather your supplies. You will need a new G button, lubricant, sterile or distilled water, and a G button syringe. Lubricate the deflated balloon of the button. Draw up 5 milliliters of sterile or distilled water into the syringe. Insert the new G button into your child's stoma. Inflate the balloon with 5 milliliters of water. Gather your supplies. You will need a catheter, lubricant, a clamp, and tape. Lubricate the end of the catheter. Cut a piece of tape. Insert the catheter a couple of inches into the G-button stoma. Clamp the catheter to prevent stomach contents from leaking out. Tape the catheter to your child's abdomen. Do not put anything like formula, water, or medications through the catheter. Notify your child's doctor if you have any questions regarding your child's G-button.